Merry Christmas, all. Merry Christmas. All the love from all of us at Style vs. Trend. And just to finish up the year, we've got the final unknown unboxing for 2021. So like, I, I don't know whether they were trying to do I don't know, like a Christmas present type box or something, but this is a madness. I don't even know where this is from or who or what or anything. So here we go, guys, here we go. It's a weird box, it's really square, that's for sure. Oh, wrong side. Okay, now I think I know what these are. So these are 350. 350. Now, obviously, the last 350 of the year that we managed to cop was the Beluga Reflectives. So I can only hope that these are the MX Rocks. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on. Listen, these have been like popping up, you know, on Hyper Beast, on, you know, Yeezy Mafia since the summer. Since the summer they've been talking about these, and it was always like, yeah, it's gonna be the end of the year, it's gonna be the end of the year drop, and you're like, okay, I'll be patient, Yo, what can we say about these? Okay, so I think this is a great colorway. It really is a great colorway, and I like the fact it's the MX Rocks, and they do have like rockly, earthly color tones, you know. I'm not sure about the silver in there. I know what kind of rock that's supposed to be, but then again, if you look at it, you know, no rock is ever one color, is it? There's always multiple colors in any pebble, rock, stone, however you want to call it. I love the little heel pull there. I like the heel pulls, you know, it doesn't feel the same without the heel pull. I love the colors on these, honestly. But one thing to note, it's textured. Like, I don't know, man. It's rough and it's bubbly. It's bubbly, you know. It's bubbly to the touch. Like, it's not smooth finish. I'm gonna drop in a minute and I'm gonna get the other MX, the MX Oats, and just get a bit of a feel and see what that's like. So I just thought it would be worth just having them both like side by side and just to see what they're like. Because obviously there's still one more colorway still yet to be released off this MX or of this MX variation in the colorway. So hey, hang tight for them. They're slightly blue. They look like this. So, you know, keep an eye out for that. But yeah, so I was just trying to just compare and contrast before I just talk about the on foot, because obviously 350s all the same. And I guess the major difference between the two, I still feel like this is really bubbly. It's like it's got a textured rough feel, and hopefully that's intentional, and it's intentional to probably try and represent, you know, because it's the rock, you know, so it's jagged, it's rugged, it's rough, you know, and hopefully that's what they've done that for. But then having said that, the MX, you know, the Oats, they are a bit textured, a bit rough, but this just really has some, like, you can really feel the indentations. It's really where the mesh comes across, I feel. And obviously you've got the silver running through, but you can feel the bumps raised on the black and the brown fabrics. It's like each one is at different layers all around, and that's such intricacy to be able to do that. It's just phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. And apart from that, they're exactly the same, right? I should have got two to the left, but hey ho, they're exactly the same. And even little things like, you know, you got the three, look at this, so you got these three running across, and on these ones again you have the three running across. It just makes you think, wow, did they actually pair that up together? But hey, it works, it actually works. So where it's grey on these ones, it's blue on these ones, and it just seems to follow through the whole shoe. It seems to follow, like, yeah, it seems to follow right through. Such detail, yeah, such detail. Hey, listen. And then the only major difference as well is like this, the laces on the Oats, they just have this, like, it's got some of the mesh material around it, I guess to make it more durable, make it more structured, whereas this one is like standard lacer feel, no additional padding outside of it. But apart from that, they're exactly the same. Obviously different colorways, but the silhouette's exactly the same, and there we are. And then to the on foot, hey, listen, what is there to say? You know how I feel about 350s, man. Mad comfortable. So for these, you know, like I said, we're starting to flirt with the idea of going maybe a full size up on all Adidas ranges, Adidas Yeezys ranges. So we did on these ones, and look, man, the difference between the two is so minute. Like whether it's a half size or full size in the 350s, you can feel it does feel a bit more roomier, you know. But I just wonder if after a while, you know, after, you know, I don't know, after 6 months or so rocking them, if they start to become a bit too loose. So that's something we'll keep tabs on that. But again, stick to the half size up, maybe on the 350s. So unsure. Obviously these are caught. Anyone disputing that, please hit me up, man. We've got to conversate about this. I don't see why you wouldn't want to cut these. Out of all the colorways, these has to be, apart from the SP or Y, you know, colorways, these just have to be purchased. You know, these would have been my favorite MX 350s to be released had the Beluga reflectives not popped out. So yeah, so at the moment it's Beluga reflectives, maybe the full reflectors, you know, the black reflectors. Now I'm a fan of that, and then maybe these ones. Who knows? So yeah, guys. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, and yeah, God bless you. Hope you have a great beginning of 2022, and we'll see you soon. Peace.